Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times Design Team project. Just starting out today to show you what I'm using to create this card. First off, we're using the dots, solids, and stripes paper, and I'm using that candy stripe red. Assorted mini bows, and I'm using the Christmas bow, I think that's what it's called. This here, and it's a coordinating piece. Christmas greens, and I'm only using this and this here. XOXO border frame die, and I'm using the largest one. Pretty scallop rectangle, the largest one. Baking Up Love, and I'm using these stamps. The stamp side of there, I'm using Happy Holidays. And then from her, actually is more stripped banner dies, or I'll have it go across the screen right here. I'm using this right here. And then from the gift card tags, I'm using this right here. All right, let me show you that card a little bit more close. And I did use metallic red for the little berries, as well as the Christmas bow. And there goes that happy holidays with the more strip sentiment tags there, and everything else that I used to create this card. And there goes that right there. I'll have all the links down below to my Creative Time, my Design Team sisters, as well as all of the products that I used today. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.